In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix Studio website design responsive in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're creating a new website for your brand or revamping an old one, ensuring it's responsive is key to providing a great user experience across all devices. Let's get started by visiting the Wix Studio, which is a web platform specifically built for agencies and enterprises. It's home to all the tools you will need to design a stellar responsive website. So, open up your browser and head over to the Wix Studio website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. You can find the login button prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on that. After clicking login, you'll see various options to sign in. Here, selecting continue with Google is a convenient choice. This allows you to quickly access your account without needing to remember another password. Just make sure you're signed into the Google account you wish to link with your Wix Studio. Now once you're logged in, direct your attention to the navigation on the main dashboard and click on Sites. This will take you to an overview of your existing projects. If you're starting a new, you'll want to select Create New Site. It's an exciting step because this is where your new web design journey begins. After you've clicked Create New Site, the next step is to start from a template. Templates offer a structured and visually appealing starting point. They give you a solid foundation, which can greatly accelerate the design process. Wix Studio offers a variety of responsive templates that ensure your site will look fantastic on any device, from mobile phones to large desktop screens. Browse through the collection under the All Responsive Templates category. Here, take your time to explore the different styles available. Once something catches your eye, click on it. You'll want to take a closer look to ensure it fits your vision. To get a better feel for how a template works, click on View to scroll through its features and layout. This hands-on exploration helps you see how the template functions across different devices and understand how its elements interact. If you find one that meets your needs and you're satisfied with its aesthetics and functionality, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click on Edit Template. This will open up the Wix Studio editor, where you can customize your selected template to your heart's content. Here's where you can integrate your personal brand elements, tweak the layout and make it truly shine. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've chosen a responsive template for your Wix Studio website and are ready to make it your own. With a user-friendly interface and comprehensive template options, creating a website that looks great on any device has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.